Are you eating for your cell health? Watch this video and find out now. Ever wonder what keeps your body's surfaces, like your skin, your gut, and even your lungs, working smoothly? That's all thanks to epithelial cells. Epithelial cells are these tiny powerhouses acting as protective barriers and help with nutrient absorption, immune defense, and so much more. So how can you help your epithelial cells thrive? Let's start with the good stuff. Foods rich in vitamin A, like sweet potatoes, carrots, and spinach, are absolute game changers. Vitamin A is like a secret weapon for cell turnover and repair. Then there's vitamin C. Think whole foods like oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers. This vitamin C, helps your body build collagen, which in turn strengthens those cell layers. Don't forget about zinc. You'll find it in pumpkin seeds, lentils, and chickpeas. Zinc is crucial for cell regeneration. It's like a tiny construction worker, always rebuilding and restoring. And omega-3 fatty acids, from walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. They keep cell membranes flexible and strong. But here's the catch. Some foods can actually sabotage your epithelial cells. Highly processed foods, especially those full of sugar and artificial additives, can cause inflammation and slow down cell repair. Excess alcohol and fried foods? They're no friends to your gut or your skin's delicate lining. So here's what I do. I try to load up on colorful fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, and don't forget, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Keep processed snacks and sugary drinks to a minimum and try a salad with your French fries. Yes, that's right, salad and French fries. It's all about balance. Supporting your epithelial cells isn't rocket science. It's just a few mindful choices at every meal. Feed your body well, and it'll keep protecting you from the inside out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know what you want to learn about next. The truth about food-grade oils. Are any of them really healthy? Before you go, let's quickly bust some myths about the oils hiding in your kitchen. You've probably heard that olive oil is the gold standard for healthy cooking. And yes, it's often marketed as a heart-healthy choice. But here's what most labels won't tell you. Even olive oil can be problematic, especially for people with chronic illnesses. Why? Because all oils, including olive oil, are highly processed and calorie-dense, and can trigger inflammation even in non-sensitive individuals. Now let's talk about oils you should never use for cooking or drizzling on your salads. Canola, soybean, corn, sunflower, and grapeseed oils are everywhere. Just check your pantry or a bottle of store-bought salad dressing. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, when consumed in excess, can fuel inflammation and throw your body's balance out of whack. Here's a quick checklist for your next grocery run. Skip canola, soybean, corn, sunflower, and grapeseed oils. Be cautious with olive oil if you have chronic health concerns. Try using small amounts, or opt for whole food fats like avocado or nuts instead. Remember, food manufacturers love to slap heart-healthy labels on their products, but the healthiest fats often come from unprocessed whole foods like a vegetable stock. Swap that bottle of oil for a handful of walnuts, a scoop of flaxseed, or a few slices of avocado. Not too much if you have heart problems. Always consult your doctor. Your cells and your long-term health will thank you. Visualize this. A split screen showing bottles of processed oils on one side and whole food fat sources on the other. Which would you rather fuel your body with? Stick around for more myth-busting nutrition tips, and don't forget to check those food labels. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button and be well.